If you see the error HTML5 video file not found while using Chrome, don't panic. Here are some quick fixes you can try. First of all, refresh the page or clear your browser's cache. To clear the cache, tap on the three dots menu at the top right, then go into Settings. After that, tap on Privacy and Security followed by Delete Browsing Data. After that, make sure to select Browsing History, Cookies, and Cached Images and Files, then tap on Delete Data. Next, check your internet connection or try playing the same video in another browser like Edge or Firefox. If it works there, the issue is with the Chrome. Then, disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools since these can sometimes block videos by mistake. If you're still getting the error, update Chrome to the latest version. Just go to the three dots menu once again and hover your mouse over Help. After that, go into About Google Chrome and let it update. Finally, if the video is on your own website, make sure the file format is supported. MP4 usually works best with Chrome. And that's all. That's how you can fix the HTML5 video file not found problem in Chrome. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.